Well, I'll tell you today, Haiti is going through what it's going through right now because they rebelled against God for so long. God sent an earthquake to shake them up. They repented for about a week. And after that went back to, we went 6 months. We didn't hear voodoo drums. And all of a sudden we started hearing voodoo drums more and more and more. And most of these people are back to what they were doing before.
Frere Joel, oui. C'est moi-même qui Chris. C'est moi-même qui John. Gagnons neg. Nous connaissons. Yeah, nous connaissons Michel. Michel, nous connaissons Michel. C'est pas famille, nous. Non, c'est pas. Nous connaissons Michel depuis America. Yeah. He lived off of Boca. Ça, Michel dit, c'est pas ça nous dit. Nous pas penser comme ça. Nous pas, non. Affaire des bagailles voodoo là, we're all about it, baby. We're cool. I'm about the powder. We're all about it. Dude, I did a line of coke. That pood. I'm down with the pood, baby. Don't tell people. Chris gagne PT, Haiti, Kanye up. Gagne PT to Haiti. Yeah. We gagne PT Canada. Oh my God. We gagne PT New York. We gagne PT Boston. We gagne PT West Palm Beach. Say nèg haïtien mieux. Affaire des bagailles voodoo là, Haiti nous remène. Nous remène voodoo, chrétien, Muslim. Nothing. Yeah, look, you know, nous remène Haiti amour. But c'est pas pour dire ça Michel dit pour nous aller checker Michel. They're gonna go check him, and no. If you guys are gonna go poudre him, you know. Come on, nous people passer ça. I'll poudre. Nous connais pas bon, mais c'est pas pour dire pour aller poudre. They're gonna poudre your family. If you don't say that, they're gonna poudre your family. Poudre Michel. Poudre his ass. Poudre Michel. Et puis couper Michel sec en deux. Well, Frere Joel, you're not my brother. You're not my friend. Oh, I just want to take a second out to say, okay, man, I am sorry on behalf of all Caucasian people. Caucasian, Haitian. It is not our land. We shouldn't even be there. Si vous voulez poudre Michel, point Michel, couper Michel en sec en deux. Whoa, John. We pas qu'à couper nous. What do you mean? This is on video, dude. Accessory to murder, man. Dude, you're over here talking about poudring somebody. When have you seen someone being charged for murder for poudring anybody, dude? Like, well, there was that. The system in the United States doesn't give a fuck about that, dude. Well, there was that anthrax thing that was happening a few years back. Different kind of pood, bro. You're related to Frere Joel, but he's not our flat. That's correct. So, you really think? Vive the IET. Do what you do. Chris, hold on now. Listen, Chris. Listen, Chris. What are you talking about? Chris, listen, some video they'll say we have some John, accessory to murder. I'm just telling you, poudre and Michelle. Oh no, I'm Chris. This is getting so great.
Hey, South Florida, Levy Ministry International presents Joy to the Laugh comedy show with Josh Frere.
Haitians make the best goat.
Cello. Hennessy Williams.
You niggas are getting chicken, y'all finna die.
Miami Got Jokes.
Do you eat fried chicken? You're not bad.
And hosted by James and Jonas. Conveniently located in Palm Beach County at John Islander High School, 4701 10th Avenue, Green Acres, Florida. The official DJ is DJ Daddy Fat, Josh Frere, Cello, Hennessy Williams, Miami Got Jokes, and James and Jonas. Saturday, December 14th. Regular admission is $20, $45 for VIP. Doors open at 7. This will be a sold-out show. Get your tickets on Eventbrite. You're not gonna want to miss this. See you there.